In this video, I'll guide you through how to view the activity log in Basecamp. Whether you're managing a team or simply keeping track of your own tasks, understanding how to access your activity log can make a big difference in staying organized and informed. Let's dive in and explore the steps to access this feature with ease. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Basecamp's website. Simply type in basecamp.com into the address bar and hit enter. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your credentials and you'll be taken to your Basecamp dashboard. This is where all your projects and tasks are displayed. It's a good idea to make sure you're using the latest version of your browser for the best experience. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, look towards the top of the page. You'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Basecamp. Go ahead and click on that. This menu is a handy tool that provides quick access to various sections of Basecamp, including your activity log. If you ever get lost or need to navigate somewhere else, this drop-down is your go-to. After clicking the Basecamp drop-down, a list of options will appear. From here, select the option labeled Activity. Clicking on Activity will take you to a new page where all recent actions within your Basecamp account are displayed. This includes updates on projects, tasks completed, and any changes made by you or your team members. This log is incredibly useful for tracking progress and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Now that you're on the activity page, you can view all the happenings in your Basecamp account. The log is organized chronologically, showing the most recent activities at the top. This makes it easy to see what's been happening lately. You can also scroll down to view older entries if needed. Each entry will provide a brief description of the activity, who was involved, and when it occurred. A helpful tip: if you're looking for something specific, use your browser's search function. On most browsers, you can press Ctrl+F on a PC or Command+F on a Mac to bring up a search bar. Type in keywords related to what you're looking for, and it will highlight all instances in the activity log. This can save you time and hassle when looking for specific updates or changes. And that's it. You now know how to view the activity log in Basecamp. By following these simple steps, you can stay on top of all activities within your projects, making communication and project management a breeze. Remember, keeping track of your activity log regularly can help you catch any issues early and keep your projects running smoothly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or explore more of Basecamp's features. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.